The next exercise that we're going to learn today is called arm flexion. And this is a challenge, again, another challenge to the stability that you're creating in your abdominal region, your core region. So like with all the exercises that we're going to do, we're going to start with the elevator. So go ahead and push up, Tyler. Okay, very good. And again, when you push up, you should feel those ribs dropping down, okay, towards the pelvis. So maintain that, and now you're going to lift your arms so they're pointing toward the ceiling and the palms are facing each other. When you lift the arms, it's really important to make sure that you don't have excess tension in the arms or the elbows. You don't want 2x4s. You want nice, easy, relaxed elbows. Shoulders should be relaxed to the table, and the palms should be slightly open like you're going to receive a softball. Okay, good. So maintaining this elevator, this pressure that you're generating, you're going to slowly, in a relaxed way, let your arms go back over your head, but you're not going to lose that push. You're not going to let the ribs come back up. The more relaxed you are as you do this, the more successful you'll be. A lot of times with exercise and working out, we think that you have to push, go harder, harder. But with these exercises, the coordination of the activity is much more important, and you're going to get a much more effective working of the proper muscles and the basic stabilization function of your abdominals when you move in a relaxed, more coordinated way. And come back up to start. Very good. Good job.